Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy and we are doing a dogfish shark dissection today. This is so amazing. I'm going to give these kids the opportunity to try to share what they just learned.
Hello, we just dissected a shark.
This is the liver.
It's a filter for blood, and this is
The bile
duct,
duct and
which helps it process. And we just came into the stomach.
it has rugae that helps break open the food.
And we found a crab inside of it.
And we found a slice of fish.
This is the spiral valve. It breaks down food.
This is the spleen, and here is the rectal gland that takes the salt out of the blood.
Where does food go?
It starts at the mouth. It goes down the esophagus, and then into the stomach, and then into the spiral valve where it breaks it down, and then
Poops it out.
I found the heart.
Oh yeah.
Wow, science is so amazing. I hope you guys have a beautiful day and God bless. Bye-bye.